Sometimes connecting to a PLC is similar to connecting to a bunch of people on LinkedIn hoping to sell them some PLC training. Ain't that right, Joe?
Oh, no!
You see, sometimes it just ain't happening.
Welcome to this week's Monday Maintenance Minute with Scan Time, and this week we're going to show you how to connect to an Allen-Bradley L61 PLC using RS-232. So before you connect, you're going to need this cable here. You can buy one from Allen-Bradley. It's a CP3 cable. It's got a 9-pin D connector on the right angle head on this end, and it's got a 9-pin D connector on this side. So because most modern day PCs and laptops don't have an RS-232 port, I'm going to need an RS-232 to USB converter, just like this one. Now we want to open up the flap of the L61 CPU, and inside of there should be our RS-232 port. Then we get the right angled head of the RS-232 cable and we plug that into the CPU. Get the other side of your cable and connect it to the RS-232 to USB converter. Now we can plug this into the laptop. When we're on the laptop, we want to go to the search icon, type in Device Manager, and inside of Device Manager, look for the Ports section. And then open up RS Links. Inside of RS Links, once it's opened, go to Communications, Configure Drivers. Where we have our available driver types, we drop that menu down and we select RS-232 DF1 devices and add new. Say OK to that. And this is when we then set up our communications. You'll have your COM port, which we want to choose to COM6. And then the device. The device, we're using an L61 5000 series. If we scroll down here, we should see the Logix 5550 Compact Logix devices, and simply select Auto Configure. Once we see that it says Auto Configuration Successful, we're then ready to connect to our PLC. Select OK. To check that our communications is working correctly, we want to close down Configure Drivers, and we want to open up ABDF1 devices, which is the driver that we created. Inside of there will be our CPU, and this is the PLC that we are then talking to. So unlike Joe struggles to connect to people on LinkedIn, communications to a PLC isn't that difficult, especially if you know what you're doing. And that's it for today's Monday Maintenance Minute. I look forward to seeing you again next week.